Good morning, dear children. Let's start the class. So, as we have started our third chapter, numbers, right? So, we'll continue with it today. But before that, we'll just give a quick recap of our previous class. So, we studied numbers up to 999 and also the number names, right? So, children, two-digit numbers, how it is counted? It is counted by two place values, that is ones and tens. The three-digit numbers are counted by three place values, ones, tens and hundreds. Isn't it? So today we'll give a quick recap of it and we'll start with the next topic. Let's start. Let's start the class with our third chapter, numbers. So before it, children, will give just a quick recap of it. What we studied in the previous class is your numbers and number names up to 999. That is your three-digit numbers. Okay. So in what sequence it is written? So children, you know that 99 is two-digit numbers and it is counted by two places, that is ones and tens. Right? And after 99 comes three-digit numbers. Now how to make this three-digit number, children? After 9 what comes? Again 0. Okay? And in tens place the number 9. After 9 what comes? 10. Now in one place there can be only one digit. So the 0 we will write in tens place and 1 we will write in hundreds place. This is how you get three-digit numbers. Clear? And how to write the numbers up to 999? You just see the numbers in ones place are the single digit numbers, that is the numbers from 0 to 9. You have to write the numbers from 0 to 9. After 9 will come again 0 and the tens 0 is written as same. The hundreds place 1 will change to next number, that is 2. So what it becomes? 200. Clear? Now after 200 how will we write? After 0 ones place number only we will change, children. After 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, and the remaining tens and hundreds place remain same. But after 9 what comes again? 0. Tens place 0 remains same and hundreds place 2, because the next number comes, that is your 3. This is how you have to write up to 999. So children, what smallest three-digit number you get? Which is the smallest three-digit number? Is your 100, and the largest three-digit number is 999. Clear? So let's start. And we also did the number names. 405. How do we write? 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. So we write 400 and 5 is in which place? Ones. So we write just 5. Clear? Next 700 and this 13, how do we say 13? 13. So we'll write 713. Clear? Number 3, 2 is in which place? Hundreds. So 200, 29, how do we read? 29. So what we will write? 229. Is it clear, children? So the objective of the class is, today we will do understand the place value, what is face value, and the expanded forms of numbers. Children, as you have already done in class 1, so it will be easy for you to understand. Can you see this place values? These are single cubes, right? So these are what? This comes, single cubes comes under which place? Comes under ones place. You can see this bar. So these are tens place. How many bars are there? There are 3 bars, right? So you will say there are 3 tens. Clear? Now this flat cube, can you see? This cube is of hundreds. Clear? This one cubes comes under ones place. This bar comes under tens place, and this cube comes under 100 place. Clear? So the place value chart is made this way, children. The place value chart is made this way: ones, tens, 100. Clear? So take out a book, children. As we have already done this, page number 22, right? So let's start with page number 23. Just now I told you, children, that I gave you the concept of this, right? So this 1 cubes are what? Comes under ones place. So how many boxes you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we write 10 ones. We write 10 ones. Clear? Next, you can see this strip. This strip comes under which place? Comes under tens place. So how many strips you can see here? There is only one strip, right? So we write 1, 10. 1, 10. Clear? Next, children, how many strips can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are total 10 strips, right? So how will we write? 10 tens. How do we write? 10 tens. Why we write tens? Because this strips comes under which place? Comes under tens place. Okay? Comes under tens place. So when 10 tens, this tens in word means 10 into 10. So 10 into 10 is what, children? 100. So 100. This is your 100 cubes. Understood? This is a box of 100 cubes. Is it clear? In words we can write 100 and in numbers 100. Clear? Single box comes under ones place. One strip comes under tens place, and the cube box comes under your hundreds place. Clear? Let's move to next, children. So this one cube is of 100. There are 2 cubes of 100. So what will you get? 200. 100 plus 100. This is 100 and 100. What will you get? 200s. Next, 100 plus 100 plus 100. You get 300s. Isn't it? Then again say 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. So you get 400s. So 400s is written how, children? 4 in words 400s and in numbers 400. Understood? Now we will understand the numbers using abacus. Now children, let's understand the concept of place values using the spike abacus. Now children, you can see this abacus. We have to learn how to show the number 99 on an abacus. How can we show the number 99 on an abacus? So children, you can see this blue bits. This is in which place? Ones place. And green bits is in tens place. So you count how many bits are there. 1 bit is your 1 unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you will write 9 below ones place. And count the other green bits, you will get 9. So you will write 9 below tens place. This is how you get 99. Now let's see how do we get 100. Now children, one pink bit, 1 unit in the 100 spike, this 1 bit is your 100. So children, you know that this is 99, right? So how will we write this one pink bit? This 99 turns into one pink bit, which means that 100. This 1 is in hundreds place. Clear? Next is your, how do we write 999? You know that pink means hundreds, blue means ones, green means tens. So 999 children. So count these blue bits, you will get 9, which is in nines place. So 9 comes below 9. Then this is tens bits. You count how many bits are there in tens. You will get 9. So here it comes 9. In hundreds place you count how many bits are there. You will get 9. So this is how we get 999. It is very easy to count in abacus children. Similarly, can you tell me how many bits, what is the number is here? In this, what number will you get? Just count with number bits. In ones place you are getting 4 bits. In tens place you are getting 2 bits. And in ones place you are getting 100s place you are getting 1 bit. So 124. Isn't it? Here how many bits you are getting in hundreds place? 2. So 200 in tens place 9 and ones 8. So how do we say 98, right? So how it is written in words children? 298. Understood? Next, 459. So this is how it is written in words. 459. Is it clear children, the concept of place values of the numbers using your boxes, strips and your abacus?